Are you tired of feeling like you're missing out on the explosive growth in the altcoin market, but equally overwhelmed by the sheer number of options and the inherent risks involved? Do you dream of a diversified crypto portfolio that extends beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum, but find yourself hesitant to dive into the complexities of decentralized exchanges and obscure tokens? If so, you're not alone. Many aspiring crypto investors grapple with these very questions. The world of altcoins is vast, exciting, and brimming with potential, yet it's also a minefield of volatility and scams. The key to navigating this landscape successfully lies in smart diversification and utilizing platforms that simplify the process without compromising on security or selection. And that's precisely where Newton comes into play. Today, we're going to explore how Newton, a leading Canadian cryptocurrency platform, can empower you to confidently diversify your altcoin exposure. We'll delve into why diversification is crucial in the volatile crypto market, examine Newton's unique features that make altcoin investing accessible, and walk through practical strategies to build a robust and varied altcoin portfolio using their platform. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how Newton can be your gateway to unlocking the full potential of the altcoin space, all while managing risk effectively. First, let's address the elephant in the room. Why diversify your altcoin exposure in the first place? In the traditional financial world, diversification is a fundamental principle of risk management. You wouldn't put all your savings into a single stock, would you? The same logic, amplified by several orders of magnitude, applies to cryptocurrency. While Bitcoin and Ethereum dominate the market, thousands of other digital assets, known as altcoins, are constantly emerging, each with its own unique technology, use case, and market potential. Investing solely in Bitcoin, while seemingly safer, means you're entirely exposed to its price swings and miss out on the potentially parabolic gains of smaller, rapidly growing projects. The crypto market is notoriously volatile. A single altcoin can skyrocket 1,000% in a month and then crash 90% in a week. By spreading your investment across multiple altcoins, you mitigate the impact of any single asset's poor performance. If one altcoin in your portfolio tanks, the gains from others can help cushion the blow. This isn't about eliminating risk entirely, that's impossible in crypto, but about managing it intelligently. Diversification allows you to capture growth from different sectors of the crypto market, whether it's decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, metaverse projects, or Layer 2 scaling solutions. Each of these sectors operates with different underlying drivers, and a well-diversified portfolio can benefit from various market trends. Think of it like building a balanced sports team. You wouldn't just pick all strikers. You need defenders, midfielders, and a solid goalkeeper to achieve overall success. Now, why Newton? What makes it an ideal platform for diversifying your altcoin exposure, especially for those who might be new to the intricacies of crypto trading? Newton stands out for several compelling reasons. Firstly, its commitment to simplicity and user-friendliness is a major draw. Many crypto exchanges can be intimidating for beginners, with complex interfaces, convoluted order types, and a dizzying array of technical charts. Newton, by contrast, is designed with accessibility in mind. Their intuitive interface makes buying and selling altcoins straightforward, even if you've never traded crypto before. This ease of use dramatically lowers the barrier to entry, allowing you to focus on your investment strategy rather than struggling with the platform itself. Secondly, Newton boasts a substantial and growing selection of altcoins. While not as extensive as some global giants, Newton offers over 70 different cryptocurrencies, a number that is continuously expanding. This is a crucial factor for diversification. You're not limited to just Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can explore a wide range of promising projects across various categories. From established large-cap altcoins like Cardano, ADA, Solana, SOL, and Polkadot, DOT, to mid-cap projects like Chainlink, Link, Polygon, Matic, and Uniswap, Uni, and even some emerging smaller-cap tokens, Newton provides ample choice to build a truly diversified portfolio. This breadth of options means you can invest in projects that align with your research and risk tolerance, without having to jump between multiple exchanges. Thirdly, Newton's fee structure is highly competitive and transparent. Unlike many exchanges that charge various hidden fees, Newton prides itself on its low-cost model. They have zero funding or withdrawal fees for Canadian dollar transactions, and they cover the first $5 of network fees for crypto withdrawals. Their primary revenue comes from a competitive spread, which is the slight difference between the buy and sell price. This transparency ensures you know exactly what you're paying, allowing you to maximize your investment capital rather than seeing it eaten away by excessive fees. When you're making multiple smaller trades to diversify your altcoin holdings, these fee savings can add up significantly over time. Beyond these core features, Newton also prioritizes security. In the crypto world, security is paramount. Newton employs robust security measures, including an 80-20 cold storage model, meaning the vast majority of customer assets are held offline, minimizing exposure to online threats. They also have an in-house security team, conduct regular penetration testing, and maintain various forms of insurance for crypto assets. This focus on security provides peace of mind, knowing that your diversified altcoin portfolio is as protected as possible. They are also a regulated platform in Canada, which adds another layer of trust and accountability. So, how do you actually go about diversifying your altcoin exposure with Newton? Let's break it down into practical steps and strategies. Step 1. Setting up your Newton account. The first step, if you haven't already, is to set up and verify your Newton account. This process is typically quick and straightforward, involving identity verification, KYC. Once verified, you can link your bank account for easy CAD deposits via Interac e-transfer or wire transfer. Remember, Newton prides itself on instant verification and fast funding, so you can get started quickly. Step 2. Understanding your risk tolerance. Before you start buying altcoins, it's crucial to assess your personal risk tolerance. Are you comfortable with high volatility and potentially significant losses for the chance of substantial gains? Or do you prefer a more conservative approach? Your risk tolerance will heavily influence the types and proportions of altcoins you choose. A good rule of thumb in crypto is to only invest what you can afford to lose. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.